Guys, welcome back to another video. And I'm at Applebee's right now with my dad. And sitting and we're gonna about to have some dinner, and it's gonna be really cool. There's our car. Never mind. And it's kind of funky because look at that boy right there. Look at that boy. Little sus. And yeah, it's kind of cool that I don't really know what I'm doing right now. I have like 476,000 views and all. I want to try to hit 500K views. And I want to try to hit 10,000 subs. No, not 10,000, 6,000. Well, I don't really care. I just want it to get higher. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I'm eating dinner with my daddy. Yeah, bye.